This is the video about taking deliveries from the customer. So first, to take the delivery from the customer, we need to log in as a sales employee from here, and we need to enter the sales employee ID. After we have input the sales employee ID, the new order assignment screen will pop up. After the phone call with the customer's phone number will automatically came up in the phone screen through the caller ID. And if there are couple of phone incoming calls from the customers, then we have to click on this kind of uh, buttons to take the order from the customers. Here we have not linked our phone with the caller ID, so I'm putting the phone number manually. First, we have to enter the customer's phone number in order to take the delivery from the customer. So we have to enter the customer's phone number. After the phone number is entered, we click on the delivery icon in here. After the delivery icon is clicked, the customer information setup screen will pop up, and we have to input the customer's information in here. This is the apartment number. This is the zip code number. And if the customer's email is provided, we can enter the customer email in here. After the customer information setup is done, we click on the accept button in here, and the record added successfully screen will pop up. Now the menu taking order screen is here. So we take the order from the customer. So we suppose if the customer is ordering a pizza, we click on the pizza, and we can choose the size of the pizza from here. Suppose the customer ordered a 12-inch pizza, and here is the sub item of the pizza, and here is the barbecue chicken one, and I click on it, and this is the toppings I'm fixing for the pizza, and we can click according to the customer. So I've clicked those. So after the order is taken, we click on the main menu. So the order is ready. So after the order is taken, we send the order to the kitchen from here, and after the send button is clicked, the order is printed out in kitchen and in the main desk, and the enter your sales ID screen will pop up here, and we click the password for the sales ID. And after the order is finished in the kitchen, we click on the order status, and we click on the pending deliveries. This is the delivery we have taken recently, so we have to assign a driver for it. So we click on the assign driver in here, and this is the drivers, and we click in any driver, and the driver have to input the driver's password here. After the driver password is given, the order is assigned to the driver, And after the driver has returned from the delivery, we click on the order status and we click on the assigned deliveries, and here is the delivery which is assigned to the driver, and the driver will came with the payment, and he will click on the paid icon. After here he will enter his ID and his password here, and the order is paid successfully and the transactions of delivering is done here. And so in order to view the reports of the driver and the transaction, we click on the view reports, and here is the two options of individual drivers report and drivers report. The individual drivers report will give the individual driver report from the driver's ID, and we can click on the any driver ID, but we have assigned to the driver ID to the recent order. So we click on the preview report, and we can see the transactions and the payment of the recent deliveries in here. And this is how the delivery is done. Thank you.